Oysters. For centuries, these unassuming creatures have been more than just a delicacy. Ancient Romans prized them, not for their taste, but for their pearls. Imagine that, a simple mollusk, producing something so beautiful and valuable. But the Romans weren't the only ones who recognized the worth of oysters. Across cultures and throughout time, these bivalves have held a special place in our history. From the coastal communities who relied on them for sustenance to the wealthy who savored their unique flavor, oysters have always been a fascinating paradox, a humble creature with an extraordinary impact. And their story, much like the pearl hidden within, is one worth uncovering. Join me as we delve into the surprising benefits of oyster seafood, exploring not just their culinary appeal, but their crucial role in our environment and economy. Let's begin with what lies beneath the shell. Oysters are a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and omega-3 fatty acids. Just a single serving provides a significant dose of zinc, iron, and vitamin B12, essential nutrients often lacking in modern diets. Zinc, for instance, is crucial for a healthy immune system, wound healing, and cell growth. Iron helps our bodies produce red blood cells, carrying oxygen throughout our system. And vitamin B12, vital for energy production and maintaining healthy nerve cells. These are just a few examples of the nutritional bounty oysters offer. They are a true gift from the sea, providing a natural and delicious way to supplement our diets with essential nutrients. But the benefits of oysters extend far beyond our dinner plates. These remarkable creatures play a vital role in maintaining the health of our oceans and coastlines. How, you ask? Through their incredible ability to filter water. An adult oyster can filter up to 50 gallons of water per day, removing excess nutrients, sediments, and even pollutants. Imagine thousands, millions of oysters working tirelessly, purifying our waterways. They are nature's water filters, essential for maintaining water clarity, preventing harmful algal blooms, and supporting a thriving ecosystem. Their impact on coastal ecosystems is profound. Oyster reefs provide habitat for a diverse array of marine life, from small invertebrates to commercially valuable fish species. These reefs act as natural breakwaters, protecting shorelines from erosion caused by waves and storms. Section 4. Economic engines. The benefits of oysters don't stop there. These unassuming shellfish also play a significant role in our economy. Oyster farming and harvesting provide livelihoods for countless individuals and communities, particularly in coastal regions. From small-scale family operations to larger commercial enterprises, the oyster industry supports jobs, generates revenue, and contributes to local economies. And let's not forget the culinary tourism associated with these delectable bivalves. Oyster bars, seafood restaurants, and festivals celebrating this delicacy attract visitors from far and wide, boosting local businesses and promoting regional cuisine. The economic ripple effect of the oyster industry is undeniable, showcasing the interconnectedness of nature, livelihoods, and human enjoyment. Section 5. The science of shells. Now, you might be wondering, how can we be sure about all these incredible benefits? Well, the proof, as they say, is in the pudding, or in this case, the science. Numerous scientific studies have confirmed the nutritional value of oysters, their remarkable filtering capabilities, and their positive impact on marine ecosystems. Researchers have analyzed the nutritional content of oysters, quantifying the abundance of vitamins, minerals, and omega-3 fatty acids they contain. Studies have tracked the water filtration rates of oysters, demonstrating their effectiveness in removing pollutants and improving water quality. Furthermore, ecological studies have documented the biodiversity supported by oyster reefs and their role in protecting coastlines from erosion. The scientific evidence is clear. Oysters are not just a tasty treat, but a valuable asset to our planet and our well-being. Section 6. A call to action. As we've explored the surprising benefits of oyster seafood, one thing is clear. These remarkable creatures deserve our attention and protection. From their nutritional prowess to their role as ecosystem engineers and economic drivers, oysters are a testament to the interconnectedness of nature and human society. But the future of oysters and the invaluable services they provide is not guaranteed. Overfishing, habitat destruction, and pollution threaten oyster populations worldwide. It is our responsibility to ensure the sustainability of this precious resource for generations to come. By supporting sustainable oyster farming practices, advocating for responsible fishing regulations, and reducing our environmental footprint, we can all contribute to the well-being of oysters and the health of our planet. Section 7. Stay curious. Thank you for joining me on this exploration into the fascinating world of oysters. I hope you've gained a newfound appreciation for these unassuming creatures and the vital role they play in our world. If you're eager to learn more about the wonders of the natural world, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more captivating insights and adventures. Together, let's continue to explore, learn, and protect the incredible biodiversity that makes our planet so extraordinary.